nature. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. I want to address this, guys. I'm going to show you how I wash this herbal hibiscus marshmallow root leave-in conditioner, or a treatment hair mask that I made a couple of videos ago. I will leave that video down below for you guys, but I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair after using this hibiscus marshmallow root hair mask. I did sleep with it in my hair overnight, so check this video out down in the description box. So this is the next morning. I just simply wash my hair out. I did not do a shampoo or any co-wash this time around because I had been shampooing my hair the last 2 weeks. If you guys don't know, I do wash my hair every Friday or Saturday. So for this week, I'm just going to leave my hair alone. I'm just going to do just a simple water wash pretty much, or water rinse, and leave all the nutrients and stuff from my hair mask in the previous day, and just leave my hair alone. So yeah, I'm not going to clarify my hair this week. I will probably clarify my hair next week. But in this video, I just want to show you guys how I style my hair, how soft my hair look after using this hibiscus marshmallow root hair mask. You guys see how my curls is shiny and how they're popping, how my hair looks super moisturized and hydrating. And y'all, don't look at this dry hibiscus plant. I literally went out of town for 6 weeks, and I came back and was just like, dude, I gotta hurry up and start doing videos. And I have not changed that hibiscus plant, or whatever you call it. It's like, I gotta go get some more. So don't even look at it. Don't look at it. But yeah, you guys, pretty much it's self-explanatory. I'm just gonna make sure that my scalp is pretty clean. And then I'm gonna apply my own DIY leave-in conditioner on my hair, and then style my hair. I've told you guys before, I'm doing very low manipulative hairstyles, and that's how much hair I lost out of this one section. So if you guys have been wondering, it's like, hey, is your hair still shedding? Boom, girl, you see, I did not lose that much hair out of that section. And I'm also not doing using combs or brushes and stuff right now. So I'm just wanting to let my hair strengthen and, you know, get back to normal just a little bit before I go in with a comb or a brush on my hair. But just showing you guys, the length is still there, but the bulk, like how thick and bulky my hair used to look, is pretty well gone. But my hair is regrowing. I know it's going to take some time to get it back to the way that it used to be, but that's completely fine. I'm just going to keep doing low manipulated styles, doing all of my herbal hair treatments, and making sure that I'm just taking really good care of my hair in this delicate state. Like I said before, you guys, I am going to be using my own DIY leave-in conditioner to moisturize and to style my hair. What I like to do with my hair, this is my wash and go, y'all. My low manipulated wash and go. So as you guys can see, I just washed my hair, and I'm fixing to style it right in the shower. Y'all, I put too much in my hair, like too much product, but it's okay. I'm trying to get used to how much product I actually need in my hair now that my hair is not that thick. So in the next couple of videos when I'm styling my hair, you guys are going to see me put a lot of product in my hair, but I'm not realizing that it's a lot of product until I actually like look at these videos and I see it's like, dang, man, that was a lot of product. But it's okay. I'm really trying to get used to how thin my hair is now. I don't need that much product. But as you guys can see, my hairline, all of that is grown back in, and that's from postpartum shedding. And then the nape of my hair is from postpartum shedding. And then how thin my hair looks now, it's from COVID. So having post-COVID shedding. And that's what I'm trying to deal with right now, is just getting my hair back full and regrow my hair and get it back voluminous. So this is just a really safe hairstyle that I chose to do to my hair to make sure that my hair stays pretty well moisturized and making sure that my hair is not going to break off any longer. As you guys can see, I only used the comb on the end of my hair because it felt pretty tangled, but I don't go up the whole shaft of my hair, and I only combed out the bottom just so that when I braid my hair, it has a finished smooth braid at the end, but I'm not combing through the length of my hair any longer. So yeah, just to kind of clarify that. And I don't brush through my hair or comb through the ends of my hair every single time. So I'm just going to roll the front of my hair up, and then I'm going to try to take even sections to create a braid, and then I'm going to braid the length of my hair all the way down. After I braid both sides of my hair, I do put my head rag on for the entire night. So this is probably like 2-3 o'clock in the daytime, and I will wear my hair like in my sleeping cap, I guess you can say, but I have like a hat on, so you can't even tell that I have my hair is wet or my head rag is on all day. So I like to make sure that my hair stays very well detangled at the bottoms because my hair is already thin at the bottom, but I'm not breaking my hair off, you guys. And then making sure that my braid is very nice and tight and I don't have any flyaways, so that my hair is not going to get like little single strand knots on it or anything like that. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, tie my hair up, and then you guys will see the end result in just a moment. Okay, you guys, so this is the next morning. I was about to leave the house, so this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, I didn't put any gel or anything on my hair. The line on my forehead will go away, but this is the end result. Like I said, like my hair looks very shiny, very moisturized. I didn't like bobby pin the back up. I just kind of tied my braids together and then tucked them under. So hopefully that makes sense. But Normally I would bobby pin it, but if I don't have any bobby pins, like I didn't have any right now, then I just tie my braids together and then push the braids underneath itself. That piece of hair that you see that's kind of in a finger coil right here, that piece of hair, I don't want it to be inside my braid because I don't want it to pull the nape of my hair and I don't want to get those bumps. So yeah, you guys, I hope you really like this video, and let me know down in the comment section if you try this video out or this hairstyle out. Five. Good job. Five. Money. $5 bill, which he's in my wallet that he's not supposed to be in. Good job. That is $5. Charles, he just pulled a $5 bill out of my wallet and said 5, and then he said money. You guys, he still has 3 months before he's 2. Ooh. Money. Aw. Money. Yeah, money. Oh my gosh. Okay.